When building a PC, the case is the most important part of your system. It's much more than a shell. It dictates your airflow, cable management, expansion, and overall aesthetics. Today, I'm going to walk you through what makes a PC case stand out and why it matters and how to choose the right one for your setup. Size matters. Cases come in various form factors: ATX, Micro-ATX, and Mini-ATX or Mini-ITX. Your motherboard dictates which case you need. But if you plan to add larger components later, make sure the case supports those upgrades. GPU clearance is another big factor. With modern cases and with your graphics card getting larger, you need to ensure your case has enough space. Some cases even include vertical GPU mounts or for better aesthetics. Cooling is the key to performance. For some cases, focus on airflow with mesh fronts, while others prioritize silence with sealed panels. If you're using air cooling, check how many fans the case supports. For liquid cooling, the radiator mounts matter. So if you're going to pick one, look for the 240 millimeter, 280 millimeter, or 360 millimeter. Good ventilation isn't just about keeping temps low. It affects the fan noise and the dust buildup. Look for dust filters, but more importantly, smart airflow design to keep your system running efficiently. Premium cases use steel or aluminum for durability, while budget options tend to be thinner. Tempered glass adds an aesthetic appeal, but toolless designs, thumb screws, and rubber grommets make it for a smoother build. Cable management is a huge deal. A case with pre-round channels or pre-routed channels, Velcro ties, and PSU shrouds makes it much for a cleaner build, not just visually, but also a better airflow. Cases aren't just functional. They reflect your personal style. Whether you prefer a minimalist design, an RGB heavy setup, or a clean blueprint style build, the right case elevates your rig. Beyond style, accessibility is the key. Some cases offer USB-C front panel ports, fan controllers, and other tool-free drive bays make upgrades easier. Choosing the right case isn't just about the looks. It's about ensuring compatibility, airflow, cable management, and long-term usability. Whether you're aiming for high airflow, silent operation, or visually striking design, it takes time to pick the case that fits your needs. And since you're a part of the exclusive crew, I appreciate you being here. If you found this breakdown valuable, drop a comment. I always read your feedback. Thank you for supporting the channel, and we'll see you on the next one.